Why do companies merge? Why do they make acquisitions? We're going to discuss this strategically with examples and explaining the benefits of each strategy. If you're an entrepreneur or an investment banker or want to be either of these in the future, this lecture is pure MBA heaven. Don't miss a minute. And also stay to the end because I'm going to share with you a truly shocking fact about acquisitions, which may make you want to walk away from them completely. Let's start with the difference between the two, merger versus acquisition. Let's clarify the difference between a merger and an acquisition. A merger is when two or more companies combine to form a new entity, with all original companies dissolved. In contrast, an acquisition occurs when one company purchases another, and the acquired company becomes a subsidiary of the purchasing entity. Economies of scale is the first reason for making an acquisition or a merger. Economies of scale refer to the cost advantages gained by increasing production and efficiency. When companies merge or are acquired, they can combine operations and resources, leading to lower costs for materials, labour and other inputs. For instance, Volkswagen's acquisition of Audi, Bugatti, Lamborghini and Porsche enabled it to lower costs and increase its bargaining power. Synergistic acquisitions help identify savings across revenue, costs, capital and other financial areas, creating a more efficient and competitive entity. The next reason is reducing competition. Acquisitions can consolidate the market, reducing the number of competitors. Standard Oil's dominance in the US oil market in the early 20th century is an historic example, where consolidation led to significant market control until antitrust regulations intervened. By eliminating duplicate products or services and reducing the number of suppliers, the acquiring company can gain a larger market share and create barriers to entry for potential new competitors. Expanding the total addressable market, the TAM, is another key strategy. This can be achieved by entering new markets or customer segments. For example, Coca-Cola's acquisition of Monster in 2015 allowed it to tap into the energy drinks market, leveraging Coca-Cola's global distribution channels. This expanded Coca-Cola's TAM, total addressable market, by reaching new customers and accessing new distribution channels. Vertical integration involves acquiring companies at different stages of the supply chain. eBay's purchase of PayPal in 2002 is a prime example, consolidating the payment process and enhancing value from eBay sales. This move not only sped up processes, but also protected PayPal from potential strategic threats. Vertical integration helps control costs, improve efficiency, and increase competitiveness by owning more stages of the supply chain. A horizontal merger occurs between companies in the same industry and production level, like the hypothetical merger of McDonald's and Burger King. Such mergers can increase market presence and efficiency, but are often scrutinized for their impact on competition. By combining market shares and locations, these mergers can lead to cost savings and increased market power. A concentric merger combines companies in related but distant markets, aiming to diversify offerings and access new markets. For example, a manufacturer merging with a company specializing in installation and maintenance can offer a complete product service package, enhancing competitiveness. This type of merger helps companies achieve economies of scale and scope, providing a wider range of products and services. A conglomerate merger involves companies in unrelated industries driven by the desire to diversify revenue streams and reduce risk. Berkshire Hathaway's diverse acquisitions, from insurance to confectionery, exemplify this strategy, building a robust and varied portfolio. These mergers allow companies to spread risk across different industries and reduce dependence on any one market. Entering a new geography through acquisition can also be a game changer. Walmart's acquisition of Asda in the UK in 1999 allowed it to enter the UK market, gaining access to local knowledge and distribution networks. This strategy helps companies tap into new markets, gaining access to new customers, and leveraging local expertise to navigate the market more effectively. Talent acquisition is another vital strategy. By acquiring companies with skilled workforces, like Google's numerous acquisitions in AI, businesses can enhance their capabilities and stay competitive. Acquisitions bring in key leaders and expertise, fueling growth and innovation. This can help companies improve products and services and achieve strategic goals. Acquiring rare corporate assets can provide a strategic edge. Google's acquisition of Android in 2005 allowed it to dominate the mobile OS market, leveraging Android's unique assets to achieve a significant competitive advantage. Such acquisitions provide access to valuable assets like patented technology, exclusive distribution rights, or strong brands. Accelerating development roadmaps is another compelling reason for acquisitions. Microsoft's acquisition of GitHub in 2018 gave it access to a vast ecosystem of developers, accelerating its product development and integration of GitHub's capabilities. This strategy allows companies to bring products or technologies to markets more quickly and efficiently. Finally, a roll-up strategy involves acquiring multiple businesses in a fragmented industry to create a larger, more efficient entity. Salesforce's acquisition of Slack in 2021 is a notable example, consolidating workplace technology and adapting to changing work patterns post-COVID-19. Roll-ups help companies achieve economies of scale, reduce costs, and increase market share. So, to summarize, we've covered a wide array of M&A strategies, including economies of scale, reducing competition, expanding the TAM, vertical and horizontal mergers, concentric and conglomerate mergers, entering new geographies, talent acquisition, acquiring rare assets, accelerating roadmaps, and roll-up strategies. Each strategy serves a unique purpose and offers specific benefits. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions in structuring and justifying deals. Now, I promised you a shocking fact, and it's really related to a very simple question. What is the percentage of successful M&A deals? And the shocking fact behind M&A deals is that the failure rate is surprisingly high. The percentage of successful acquisitions varies widely depending on the criteria used to define success, but research consistently shows that a significant portion of acquisitions do not meet their original objectives. According to McKinsey, around 70% of mergers and acquisitions fail to achieve their desired outcomes. Shocker! Now, if you found this explanation helpful, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to make sure you get notifications, because I have plenty more insightful videos around investment banking and wealth creation coming your way. Thank you for joining this exploration of M&A strategies. If you want to know more about M&A, then you will definitely want to watch my video which discusses the key steps in the M&A process. Just click on the link on the screen. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.